Hello friends, today's our topic on the vulnerability of the SMB signing is not required in Windows 2008 R2 server. So this is the finding by the security team, and this vulnerability can be fixed through apply a small steps in the Windows servers, and there is a two methods through which we can apply the fix for this vulnerability. So one method is the through which we can apply the fix through the local group policy on the specific servers. But in case if we have the lot of servers, in that case we can create a group policy, and we can also create a uh, OU in the domain controller, and we can apply the uh, the group policy on that particular OU, and we can move all the servers in that OU. Then group policy will apply on those servers in one go, right? So friends, let's see how can we apply this vulnerability through the local group policy. So first of all, we need to just open the gpedit.msc on the server. Okay, so this is the local group policy of the server. So now we are going to expand the computer configuration and Windows settings. In the Windows settings, we have to click on the security settings. In the security settings, needs to open the local policies, and then finally click on the security option. Now here a Microsoft network server digitally sign communication always. So this setting will be by default disabled in the member servers, but to fix the vulnerability of the SMB not required. So we have to enable this service. Oh, sorry, we have to enable this policy. So for the enable, we need to just double click on this policy and need to just click on the enable and apply OK, right? So after that, will be apply on the servers, right? So reboot is not required on this server. So this was the fix for this vulnerability. So thank you friends for watching the video.